Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My dear wonderful Muslim friends, loving your parents will lead you to Jannah. We not only need to respect our parents, but we need to be obedient with them and be grateful towards them to gain the pleasure of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam placed kindness and respect towards parents just after the prayer offered on time, and the prayer is the base of Islam. Abdullah Ibn Masood said, I asked the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which deed is mostly liked by Allah? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, prayer offered on time. I asked the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam again, then what? The Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam replied, kindness and respectfulness towards your parents. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala mentions in Surah Luqman Ayah 14, and we have enjoined on man to be dutiful and good to his parents. His mother bore him in weakness and hardship upon weakness and hardship, and his weaning is in 2 years. Give thanks to me and to your parents. Unto me is the final destination. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala made it a significant obligation to take good care of our parents. Children need to remember that their parents have worked hard in taking care of them when they were little and helpless. When parents get old, it is the children's duty to exhibit ihsan with them and show love to them. Allah Almighty are beautifully mentioned in Surah Bani Israel, Ayah 23 to 24. And your Lord has decreed that you not worship except Him, and to parents good treatment, whether one or both of them reach old age, while with you say not to them so much as uff. That is an expression of irritation or disapproval. And do not repel them, but speak to them a noble word, and lower to them the wing of humility out of mercy, and say, my Lord, have mercy upon them as they brought me up when I was little and small. It is obligatory for all Muslims to show the unconditional love, kindness, and pleasure to their parents. Let us pray to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala that we do our best to respect our parents, honor them, and display kindness to them, and help them at all times. Ameen. So for now, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.